Here are the top 10 most beautiful fish in the world. 10. Clownfish, bright orange with bold white bands. 9. Discus fish, smooth shape with vibrant patterns. 8. Lionfish, flowing fins with dramatic stripes. 7. Betta fish, long fins and intense colors. 6. Mandarin fish, neon blue, orange, and green. 5. Moorish idol, high contrast black, white, and yellow. 4. Regal angelfish, royal blue with sharp yellow lines. 3. Parrotfish, rainbow colors with a beak-like mouth. 2. Koi fish, elegant patterns and calming movement. 1. Siamese fighting fish, betta, color saturation unlike any other fish. Underwater beauty proves color doesn't need sunlight.